again. Today we're gonna replace the thermal paste of this video card. This is Asus STRIX GTX 1070 Ti gaming. The customer wants us to replace the thermal paste, and I'm gonna replace the thermal paste only. I'm not gonna touch the pads. The card, according to the customer, hasn't been used a lot. It's still with the warranty sticker, so probably the paste will be very dry. Like I said, only paste. I'm not gonna touch the pads. So let's start. We're gonna remove the 4 screws on the cooler, and after that we're gonna remove these 2, I think, and we have 2 on the sides, so we should be able to lift the cooler. This is a bit old model now, but it's still good for some light gaming. The customer will do. So let's remove the screws. Now we have the cables on this side, so first I'm gonna disconnect them, and after that we're gonna try and lift the cooler. Disconnect this cable also. Like this. And now let's try and separate the GPU. Pads are still soft. I'm not gonna touch them. I know I will read a lot of comments why don't I replace them. I usually don't. The idea of the video is just to show you the steps. You can replace whatever you want. You just need to find a good pads or a thermal compound. If it's a pad, you have to know the exact thickness, otherwise you may do worse than it was before. It's up to you. Customer knows that I'm gonna replace the paste only. That's what he requires. So let's clean the old paste. A dry Q-tip, since the paste is very dry. It comes on pieces. Let's use some alcohol. Let's clean the cooler also. Cooler is clean, nice and shiny. Now let's apply the new paste. We have a brand new tube of Arctic MX4. This one is the 2090 edition, it's not the newer one because someone says that the new one is not that good. So we're gonna spread the paste. Don't put too much, otherwise you have to clean more next time. Like this. So now let's put everything back. We're gonna place it like this. Move it a little bit left to right in order for the paste to get even, and then put the screws back. I know it looks very simple, and actually on this card it is. It's a basic video. Let's put the other two screws. Let's put the ones in front, and after that we're gonna connect the cables. Now let's connect the cables. We're gonna connect the black one first, like this, then the other one, like this. Now the only thing I gotta do is just clean the card on the outside. I'm gonna call the customer. There's no dust on it, it's pretty much like new. So that's the video. I know I'm gonna read a lot of bad comments about why I don't replace the thermal pads, but I prefer to leave the original pads if they're still soft, instead of putting some AliExpress one. And since customer doesn't want to pay extra for the pads, I'm replacing just the paste. So I hope you liked the video. Bye bye for now.